Introducing the Wheezer, the space-age toy you can't throw away.
Out on the floor of Madison Square Garden right now is a gentleman from San Diego, California, who has really become kind of a folk star in his own right in the U.S. Hybrid Association. Radical Rick Durker, and he is displaying a product that he alone has basically invented and markets only at U.S. Hybrid Association events. That little, I don't know what you would call it. It's a combination of a frisbee and a boomerang, really. It's called a Wheezer.
The Wheezer, in fact, Rich actually has a patent on it. He told me last night he has sold 600,000 Wheezers across the country. And I tell you, it's a fun little toy. If you never had the chance, you might want to try and find one. They are a ball.
Rick Durker and the Wheezer, just another part of U.S. Hybrid Association Ford Budweiser's experience. And we'll be back with more action from the Winter Nationals here on the MSG Network, where we bring the garden home.
Wheezer has taken America by storm and has been sold successfully at a variety of sporting events.